Like that?
What do you have to do?
What do I have to do?
You have to put your hands flat like me. Look, my hands are flat.
Oh, okay. Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then what do you do?
Well, tell me about dumping the pail of my sand. Here's my sand pail. What do I have to do with it?
You have to dump it all over the starfish's body.
Yeah? Like this?
Yeah.
Here goes.
Yeah.
I'm dumping it. There it goes. Yay. Okay, it's empty. Now what do? Tamp it?
Yeah, you tap it down.
Like this?
Okay.